Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit sleep notes in the Sleep Cycle application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the premium section, click on the sleep notes button. And then click on the edit sleep notes button. And just remember that this function is only available if you're on the premium subscription of the application. So as you can see, here are some sleep notes, but you can also add a new one, like, I don't know, anything you want to add, and you can always just delete any of them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.